everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the biggest misconceptions in digital marketing, that old SEO is dead. Now here's the truth, old SEO isn't dead. It has just grown up like anything in the digital world. SEO evolves and many of the so-called outdated strategies, they still work, but with a twist. Let's talk about 4 SEO myths that are still effective but not the way they used to be. Let's get into it. Number 1 is keyword stuffing. That is, still works but only with purpose. Remember the days when people used to jam the same keyword into every other sentence on a page? It felt robotic, unnatural, like reading the same word 20 times in a paragraph. That was keyword stuffing. And yes, that used to work. But today, Google is smarter. Readers are smarter. Now, strategic keyword placement is what matters. So let me give you a real life example. Imagine you are at a party and someone keeps repeating the same sentence over and over, like, I sell digital watches. Digital watches are the best. Do you need a digital watch? You would walk away, right? But if someone tells you a story about how their digital watch helped them stay on schedule during a tough week, you are more likely to listen. That's how Google thinks now too. It's not about how many times you say a keyword, it's about how naturally and meaningfully it fits into your content. So, use keywords with intent, in context, and align with user experience. Number 2 is exact match domains. Back in the early days, if you wanted to rank for best coffee in New York, you would just buy bestcoffeeinnewyork.com and boom, you are on page 1. But not anymore. Today, search engine focus on relevance and value, not just domain names. But here's where it gets interesting. If your domain matches a search intent, even if it's not exact, it still can give you an edge. Think of it this way, like, would you trust a website called homerenovationexperts.com to help you with your bathroom remodel? Probably yes, because even it's not an exact match for your query, it speaks directly to your need. That's the modern day power of keywords in domains. Not spammy, not robotic, just relevant and trustworthy. Number 3 is backlinks that are still about quantity, but now quality too. A decade ago, it was all about numbers. The more backlinks, the better. No matter where they came from. People bought links, spam forums, or created fake blog networks. But let's compare this to real life. If 10 random strangers on the streets tell you product is great, you might listen. But if a top expert in the field recommends the same product, that's a game changer. And that's how Google sees it today. You still need backlinks. In fact, quantity still play a role, but now quality is non-negotiable. One strong backlink from trusted source can outweigh 100 low-quality ones. So don't just build links, build relationships, collaborate, create content that people actually want to link to. Number 4 is image optimization, and it's not just about alt text anymore. So image SEO used to be pretty basic, like add an alt tag, reduce file size, and you are done. But now it's evolved into image engagement. It's not just about how well the image is tagged, it's about how users interact with it. So let me give you an example. If someone lands on your page, sees a beautiful infographic and spends time zooming in, scrolling, analyzing, that signals Google that your content is useful. It's like walking into a bakery. If everyone stops to admire one particular cake in the display, chances are it's worth checking out. So when it comes to image SEO today, think beyond comparison. Think about visual storytelling, make your images useful, engaging, even interactive if possible. The longer someone stays on your page, the more Google sees value. So guys, here's the truth. SEO is not dead. It's not a thing of the past. It's just smarter, more human, and more experience driven. The same principle that builds the early days of SEO, like keywords, links, content, visuals, they still matter. They've just evolved. And just like any professional in any field, you have got to evolve with it. Adapt, learn, keep experimenting, because in digital marketing, the ones who win aren't the ones who with the oldest tricks. They are the ones who understand the new rules of the game. So keep learning, keep testing, and most importantly, keep creating value for your audience. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more real-world SEO insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, SEO isn't about tricks, it's about trust.